Why choose e-Bliss technologies? This is the topic that you are going to see in today's video. Do you feel that you are still not ready for a job? Wow, then this video is for you only. At e-Bliss Technologies, we don't only conduct programming language classes, but we also make you get held up in real-time projects. We give you complete interview training, and the most important thing is we give you complete personal attention. Whatever programming languages you choose, whether it may be Java, it may be Python, it may be DevOps or anything, your career is ready. e-Bliss Technologies, 100% job ready training.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.